Adjectives. Adjectives are used to describe a noun. They are used to tell the quality or quantity of a noun. They are used to add meaning to a noun. They can be used before a noun or also they can be used after the helping verb. Example, the lazy boy was punished. The boy is lazy. Now, here, the word lazy is used to describe the noun boy. So, in the first sentence, we use the word lazy before the noun, which is boy, and in the second sentence, we used it after the helping verb is. The positioning of the adjective is different in both these sentences, but in both these sentences, the word lazy is used to describe the boy. This is the only similarity in the two sentences. So, these are adjectives. They are used to describe a noun. It can be any noun. We can describe the noun using the adjectives. Now, let's see another example. Before that, let's see kinds of adjectives. What are the different kinds of adjectives? There are descriptive adjectives, numeral adjectives, quantitative adjectives, distributive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, indefinite adjectives, interrogative adjectives. Let's see each of the adjective and see their examples too. First of all, descriptive, they are also known as attributive adjectives. They are known as adjectives of quality. Why? Because they show quality or kind of a noun. For example, Kolkata is a large city. What is Kolkata? Kolkata is a city. But what type of city? Large. Demonstrative adjective, to point out a person or a thing. This basically answers the question which. So, here, which boy? This boy. Which girl? That girl. Which mangoes? These mangoes. Which students? Those students. Which excuses? Such excuses. Okay, so they point out a person or a thing. These are known as demonstrative adjectives. Possessive adjectives. They show ownership of a noun. For example, car. Whose car? Now, these adjectives answer the question whose. Whose car? Your car. Whose book? My book. Whose house? His house. Whose hair? Her hair. Whose work? Her work. Like this. Okay? Whose school? Their school. So this was to show the ownership. So possessive adjectives are simply adjectives that indicate ownership of a noun or a subject. Okay, we use distributive adjectives. Now, refer to each one of a number. Distributive adjectives are used to refer each one of a particular number which is given. For example, each boy must take one chocolate. Here, each is a distributive adjective. Why is that? Because here we are given that each boy means, for example, there are 30 students in the class. So there are 30 boys in the class. Each boy must take one chocolate. Each of the 30 boys must take one chocolate. This way. Okay. Now let's see. Either pen will do. Someone asked you which pen? Black or blue? Either pen will do. Numeral adjective. This type of adjective denotes an exact number. How many pen? One pen. How many pens? Pens. Which day? First day. These type of questions are answered using the adjective. Interrogative adjectives. Now, these are the adjectives that we used to answer other type of adjectives. Now, here these are used with nouns to ask questions. Which way? Whose book? Now, here also the answer that comes is a adjective only. Quantitative and indefinite. These both are very similar and also hence very confusing. So let's see the difference between the two. Quantitative adjective answers how much and indefinite answers how many, which also means that the quantitative adjective is used with uncountable nouns and indefinite with countable nouns. Let's see some examples. I ate some rice yesterday. Here, some is an adjective, quantitative adjective. But in this Second sentence also, I ate some apples yesterday. Here also some is an adjective, but here some is an indefinite adjective. But why is that? It is because in the first sentence it is used with uncountable noun, and in the second sentence it is used with countable noun. Basically, rice is uncountable noun and apples are countable nouns. We learned about uncountable nouns and countable nouns in the previous video, so please do check that video. Bye.